card game. And it's all just about place value, and we go up and down in place value, and end by building the decimal checkerboard. So I just kind of split the cards up evenly between the kids. I always have it kind of mixed up, and sometimes they'll then organize it or whatever. And we just always start in the middle with the unit, because we've talked a lot about how the unit is like the center of our place value system, right? So we always start with the unit in the middle. Anytime we go to the left or up, the place value goes up. If we go down or to the right, the place value goes down. So what's one place value up from units?
10.
10. So I'm going to use this darker blue to represent the tens place. So here's how we play the game, is we're going to place these tiles. They have to be adjacent to another tile. And once you place a tile, you're going to name the place values back to the units place. So when I place this tens tile, I will say tens units. So one place value higher than tens is hundreds. So now I have hundreds, tens, units. And we said you can also go up to increase place value. So from here, I go up. This is tens, units. From this point, I could go down, perhaps. What's one place value smaller than hundreds?
Tens.
Tens. So because I'm going down, I'm going to place the tens there. It's harder to get to the units from here because we haven't placed any units next to it. But sometimes I'll just be like units, a place value up is hundreds, tens, units. I don't know. It's not as good whenever it doesn't go directly down to the units, but that's all right. And we can keep going. We have thousands, hundreds, tens, units. So we also have these pastel colors, and you've been building with decimals for a while, so you know that this represents the tenths place. So one place value smaller than units is the tenths. So we have tenths and units. And we could also, remember I said we could go to the right, tenths and units. And we can keep going. Hundredths, tenths, units. And so they'll just take turns. Everyone places a tile and then says back to the units place. We want to build it, I'll usually tell them we want it to be a 7 by 7 square at least, and you could even go beyond that. So we'll kind of start by building this cross in the middle. We have thousandths, hundredths, tenths, units, and then in this direction we go all the way to thousands. We have thousands, hundreds, tens, units, thousands, hundreds, tens, units. Over in this direction, we have thousandths, hundredths, tenths, and units. And that's how you play the game.